Once upon a time, there was a young boy living in a small town who had a terrible habit of procrastinating. He would always delay his urgent work and tasks, which made him fall behind in his studies and other fields of life compared to his friends and classmates. Despite his family and teachers' warnings to value his time, he failed to listen to their advice and wasted his time on trivial things. As a result, he never cared about his future. One day, a wise and renowned monk arrived in the town, attracting many people who wanted to meet him and learn from him. The young boy saw an opportunity to seek some tips from the monk to surpass his friends in every field of life. He went to the place where the monk was staying and awaited to meet him. When evening came, the young boy bowed to the monk and humbly said, "Please help me. I am lagging behind my friends, classmates, and contemporaries. In every field, I want to surpass them all and become the best. Please tell me how to do that." The monk looked at the young boy with the compassion and said, "My child, you are suffering because you do not value your time. You procrastinate and waste your precious moments, which you can never get back. Let me tell you a story through which you can understand the value of time." The boy nodded eagerly, and the monk began to narrate a story. The monk explained that time is like gold, and we have only a limited amount of it. Therefore, we must use it wisely and productively. We should not waste our time on things that do not matter and focus on what is essential. We must complete our task on time with quality. The monk continued the story and told the boy about a king who was very generous and kind. The king asked his old classmate to collect as much gold and gems as he could from the treasury before sunset. The boy listened intently as the monk narrated the story of the lazy classmate who wasted his time resting his sleeping instead of collecting his treasure. When he finally reached the palace, it was too late. The palace gates had already been shut, and he missed the chance to get rich only because he did not value his time. The monk finished the story and looked at the young boy, who realized his mistake and felt ashamed. The monk sensed the boy's eagerness to learn and continued to explain the importance of time management. He said that time management is not about doing more things in less time, but it is about doing the right thing at the right time. He advised the boy to prioritize his tasks and set achievable goals to work towards them. He also told him that it is essential to take breaks and rest to maintain productivity and avoid burnout. The boy realized the monk's valuable advice and thanked him for his guidance. He promised to change his ways and work hard towards his goals. He knew that he had wasted too much time and had a lot of catching up to do. He started to work hard on his studies and other fields of life, stopped procrastinating, and become more productive and successful. He also became happier and more respected by his friends and family. In conclusion, the story of the lazy classmates teaches us that time is precious and could not be wasted. We must use our time wisely and productively to achieve our goals and succeed in life. Procrastination only leads to missed opportunities and regret later in life. Therefore, let us value our time, set the achievable goals, prioritize tasks, and work towards them with dedication and commitment. With proper time management, we can accomplish anything we set our minds to. Thanks a lot. If you like the story, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.